What's up, ATC gang? Happy Friday, or whatever day you are watching this video. Today's treat is going to be something very special and very spooky. As you can see, this is all of the living room fall decor that I had, and if you've missed that video, I'll be sure to link it later on. But first, I just wanted to show you that I removed all of the fall decor from the surfaces because I would just want it to be able to start fresh. And here you can see some of the pieces that I'll be using to kick off today's Halloween video. But before I get started, I had to give a very special shout out to all of the ladies in today's collab. All of our ladies are very special and very talented, and their talents range from anything from home decor to organizing, lifestyle, DIYs, and parenthood. So once you get done with this video, check out my description box and you'll see all of their videos linked below. Enjoy the playlist, guys. Oh yeah, and don't forget to stop in their comment section, tell them I sent you, and show them some love. You know how we do. Wait. Have you subscribed yet? Come on. I know you wasn't about to watch this video and you haven't clicked that button. I even invited this guy and put on this nice sweatshirt for y'all. So let's go. Hit the button. Okay, y'all. So I like to start off my clean and decorate with me's with a little bit of cleaning, and then we get to the fun stuff of decorating. I like to decorate the same way I clean. That means I start from the top and go to the bottom, or I work my way from left to right. So you just saw me cleaning my ceilings, and then I'll go ahead and clean my light fixtures and doors. I got to get everything nice and shiny before I put out new decor. Okay guys, so for all of my new viewers, I just wanted to stop and introduce myself. My name is CICELY, and that was my boo that just came in the door. So I am a mother of 2 young boys. I am a disabled mom by way of sickle cell anemia, and I felt it was important to show and give motivation that if I can do it, you can do it with me. So on my channel, you'll see content of all different subjects. I enjoy lifestyle, vlogging, parenthood, and home decor. So if you want to follow my journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so you know every time I upload. I'd love to have you join the family. After I finished with my coffee table, I almost forgot to grab my sandy wipes and go over my high touch areas. Once I clean, I like to go back with the sandy wipes and just disinfect the doorknobs, locks, light switches, and my box right here. This is just a hand sanitizing station. So once I have that all cleaned up, I go ahead and pack up all of the fall decor. I place everything in its respective bin and ship it off to the basement. And I'll probably have my boyfriend help me bring up the next box that I'm going to use for today's video, which will be a Halloween bin. Once this is out the way, we can go ahead and continue with the decor. So right here, I'm just clearing off the couch. This is all of the new things that I gathered for the video, and the bin, like I said, is stuff from last year. So don't feel like you have to go out and buy a complete new set of things. Try to reuse something that you have. So now that I got my couch cleared off, I like to add the wash scent beads to my vacuum because it just emits the best smell. I'm going to go ahead and get my couch nice and vacuumed, and we will go on to the next thing. So I like to go in and remove all of the larger items that obviously will tear up the vacuum. I vacuum both the top and the bottom of each cushion, and once that's all done, I like to take the dryer sheets and place one under each cushion because it just leaves the sofa with a long-lasting clean scent. Right here you can see my boyfriend and I taking our time and putting up this spooky net. We found this net from Target and I believe it was probably around $10. So I wanted to just cover as much of the ceiling as possible, but I realized it was only like 9.5 feet long, so we opted to drape it over the chandelier. And over here he is just loving using my staple gun. So he is staple gun crazy and he's hanging up Mr. Ed over here on the side. If you noticed, we are still decorating from top to bottom. So we started with the ceiling and now we're working our way along the walls. Right here was the funnest project, I believe, for the night. We just went back and forth with this spider webbing and you just pull on it and it'll go whatever direction you need it to. I really love the way it came out, and all I did was stretch it out, staple it up, and I could add bats or whatever decor I wanted to add later on. Okay, I finished with my bat hotel. Now it's on from the walls down to the couches. This little eek throw came from Target and the small pillows came from the Target dollar spot. Leave me a comment down below. Have you decorated for Halloween yet? Come on, let's chat. If you are enjoying the video thus far, go ahead and leave me a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and I just want to say I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting. None of you all go unnoticed. I value each of you. As you can see from my coffee table, I started with a spider web vase and then I put down my fur. I'm just going to add some pumpkins and then my garland, and I'll be wrapping that section up and moving on to vacuuming my floors. So I am going ahead around the room to light all of my candles. So y'all know what that means. If you've been following my channel, that means it's almost reveal time, guys. I appreciate you so much for stopping by and supporting me. I would love for you to go ahead in that description box and watch the other girls' content. You're sure to love it.